responsibility to build institutions that are transparent, technology-driven, citizen-centric, and capable of supporting a modern digital economy. So ये दो चीज़ें हैं. मैं फिर वापस आऊँगा, not because he's my boss, but because two areas which the Prime Minister is leading himself. One is the entire transformation of FBR, and the other is cashless economy. और ये दोनों चीज़ें आकर इकट्ठी मिलती हैं. और यही एक वो विजन है behind the transformation of the Federal Board of Revenue. देखिए, for decades, Pakistan's tax administration has relied on fragmented systems, manual हमारे processes रहे हैं, and what I said earlier, excessive discretion. Those systems belong to another era. That era is gone. That cannot deliver the Pakistan we aspire to build. Our vision is clear: a documented economy, a digitally integrated state, and public institutions where technology replaces discretion, transparency replaces opacity, and facilitation replaces harassment. Therefore, the FBR transformation plan ये सिर्फ tax reform के बारे में नहीं है. It is one of the most important governance reforms undertaken in Pakistan in recent years. जो अभी राशिद साहब ने बात की है, तो ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब को भी ये प्रेजेंटेशन हो चुकी है कि जो कुछ इस FBR में हो रहा है, can this be success transferred into other areas of the federal government? Or at this point in time, obviously very focused कि across customs and inland revenue, we are redesigning how the state interacts with business and the citizens. Faceless customs assessment has reduced human intervention. Shakil Shah Sahab idhar baithe hain. Already hame businesses se, because we can pat ourselves on the back, but if the businesses come back और आप कहें कि उसमें आपकी facilitation हुई है, आपका time reduction हुई है, to me that is the real end state. और जो हमें जो feedback चाहिए और जहाँ हमें और उसको improve करना है, उस feedback को इस्तेमाल किया जाए. Digital invoicing and production monitoring are documenting economic activity, and I'll come back to that in a moment. AI is strengthening risk management. Cargo tracking is securing our supply chains. Integrated digital platforms enabling faster, smarter, and more transparent decision making. देखिए, बात ये है कि ये जो हम सब इस वक्त बातें कर रहे हैं और जो नई ऑपरेटिंग मॉडल की भी बात हुई और जो पार्लियामेंट को हमने, एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल to all our coalition partners, our provincial partners, etc., कि जिन्होंने they agreed to the new operating model, वो हम ये नहीं कर सकते थे अगर आज 2 साल पहले हम इस वक्त ये बात कर रहे होते. We did not have the enabling technology, we did not have the enabling pillars on which we could have built the new operating model. तो इसलिए इस वक्त जो जितनी हमने बात की है, this is not something which is in the design phase. It's very much in execution and implementation. And therefore, we are beginning to see the operational effectiveness around this. और उसमें मैं आपको थोड़े से कुछ examples देना चाहूँगा. देखें, digital production monitoring is now live in 4 sectors and is being implemented or designed across 16 more. ये collectively cover करेंगे 70% of Pakistan's manufacturing GDP. अब मैं 2 sectors का जिक्र करूँगा. Sugar sector. Sugar sector का हमने इसलिए शुरू किया, और मैं ये पहले भी कई जगह ये बात कर चुका हूँ, क्योंकि प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने हमें ये कहा कि इट हैज़ टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम होम. शुगर में मेरी अपनी फैमिली इन्वॉल्व है, तो इसलिए आप शुगर सेक्टर से ये शुरू करें. इफ़ देयर इज़ थेफ्ट, इफ़ देयर इज़ लीकेज इन द सिस्टम, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद शुगर सेक्टर. और वहाँ जब मॉनिटर्ड प्रोडक्शन हुई तो 31% इंक्रीज इन द लेटेस्ट क्रशिंग सीजन. Production monitoring is also estimated to deliver जो हमारे annualized revenues हैं, on the basis of that about 27 billion rupees from the sugar sector. और उसके बाद हम cement sector में गए, वहाँ 32 billion rupees की recovery हुई है. देखिए, ये sales tax है. Sales tax की चोरी से ज़्यादा कोई criminal activity हो नहीं सकती, because you are recovering that to pass on to the exchequer. So let's be very clear. We are going to actually go after all sectors where this is happening, because this is not something which we can tolerate or quite frankly afford anymore. तो इसलिए बाकी जहाँ जितने सेक्टर्स हैं जहाँ हम ये आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं, they will all have to come through, and inshallah we will work with them because the Chairman FBR ने भी जिक्र किया, we want to work in partnership, but in partnership for the best interests of the country. इसी तरह digital invoicing has registered around 44,000 taxpayers representing approximately 75% of reported turnover.